How to download and install the TradingView on your Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Before diving into the downloading and the installation process, let's understand what is TradingView. So TradingView is an online platform widely used by traders and investors for charting and analyzing of financial markets. It offers a variety of features including customizable charts, technical analysis, drawing tools, and social networking capabilities. So let's get started with the downloading process. Open any browser of your choice and then search for tradingview.com. Some of the key features of TradingView are advanced charts, technical analysis tools, social networking, customizable alerts, and collaborative tools. To download, tap on this fourth option, which is TradingView Desktop. You can also use the web version by tapping on tradingview.com and then logging in or signing up into your account. Once you reach on the desktop page, you will see the downloads available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Tap on the first option and then check on the download section. Double tap on it and it will ask you for a confirm box or a dialog box to confirm the installation process. Once it is done, it will be open on your device. In order to use the TradingView, first of all, you need to click on the profile icon and then tap on sign in. However, in order to sign in, you have to sign in using your browser. So tap on the button and it will ask for your Google account. Or you could also sign up using the sign up option, which will also direct you to the browser. So once this is done, you will have to grant the access through the browser. For this, open your browser and then tap on grant access button. After this, you'll be again redirected towards your desktop view, and you can easily start the trading on the TradingView. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.